The Galaxy S26 series is coming with the biggest decision Samsung has made in years, killing some models forever and replacing them with something completely different. And this isn't just about new names or rebranding. It's a shift that will change your buying decisions, pricing strategies, and even how we look at their flagships going forward. And today, we're going to find out why. But before that, let's go back to the year 2021, the year when Samsung ended the Galaxy Note series and came out with the Galaxy S series as Ultra when it announced the S21 Ultra, which was the first Galaxy S phone to support the S Pen, even though it didn't come built in like it did with the S22 Ultra a year later. From that time up until the S25 Ultra, this model remained the strongest and most distinctive in the Galaxy S series, getting more attention from Samsung. This ended up creating a weird situation for the other two phones. Honestly, the regular base model and the Plus model started to feel a bit boring. Don't get me wrong, they were still powerful phones, but they totally lived in the shadow of the S Ultra. On top of that, the differences between the two models aren't even that big, and were pretty much limited to just the display size and a larger battery. But in 2026, after more than 5 years of the three-model strategy, Base, Plus, Ultra, Samsung is ready to shake things up in a massive way. But before we unveil the new flagship lineup, we must first understand the reasons that push Samsung to kill the Base and the Plus models. The Galaxy S25 Plus is officially the last Plus ever. Why? Simple. It was the weakest seller in the lineup for years, and with Samsung introducing the S25 Edge this year, the Plus became pointless. Both phones are basically the same size, with similar displays. Samsung clearly doesn't want two models eating into each other's sales. Also, Samsung is chasing thinner and lighter phones to compete with Apple's iPhone Air. The S25 Edge already sold pretty well, so the Plus is gone. The end of the base model. Now here's where things get interesting. Did Samsung also kill the base model? Well, according to the latest confirmed leaks, the Galaxy S26 lineup will include the S26 Ultra, the S26 Edge, and a brand new model, the S26 Pro. And a lot of people jump to the conclusion that the Pro is replacing the base model, but that's not true. Let me explain. The regular Galaxy S has always sold really well. Year after year, it's been a strong seller, especially in key markets like the US. This is the phone that competes directly with the regular iPhone 17 and even Google's Pixel 10. There's no way for Samsung to completely kill this model, but that doesn't mean nothing is changing. Leaks confirm that the regular S26 will not be announced at Samsung's January event, but this doesn't mean Samsung is ending it. Next year, Samsung will add a completely new phone to the Galaxy S family, the S26 Pro. Leaks say it's coming with a 6.3-inch display and a 4,300 milliamp hour battery. That's all we know for now. But here's my take. The Pro isn't replacing the regular S. It's meant to compete directly with the iPhone 17 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro. This is a new flagship that fills the gap between the Ultra and the Base, not a replacement for it, like many people think. Apple and Google already do really well with phones in this size, and now Samsung wants a piece of that market too. So the Pro basically locks Samsung into that competition. And honestly, this move is going to shape the Galaxy lineup for years to come. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Before talking about prices, let me share a theory about why Samsung is making this move. From the 6.3-inch display size, the same as the iPhone 17 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro, it's clear Samsung is aiming directly at these rivals. And if Samsung really wants the S26 Pro to compete, they've got to load it up with near ultra features, especially in the cameras. Think of it like this: a small Galaxy S26 Ultra, but without the S Pen. That's basically what the Pro needs to be. An Ultra-like experience, just in a smaller body. Honestly, that's the only way it makes sense. And what about the regular S26? Samsung might actually take a page out of Apple's playbook and announce it at a separate event, kinda like what Apple will start doing with the iPhone 18. I bet that it could be revealed at the Galaxy FE event, either replacing the FE line or launching alongside it, using Samsung's Exynos processors every September. And here's how the pricing is expected to go. The lineup will be more diverse than ever, giving Samsung more ways to compete with Apple, while also increasing profit margins for every model. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Want to know more about the latest leaks? Watch this next video. Leave a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.